Hello everyone, I am back with a Hot Wheels car review. Today we are going to review the 97 Corvette. I have this car in black color with some flames over here. Anyway, start the review. As you can see inside this car, it has a green interior, a window with a Hot Wheels logo on the back. Always has one with it tall because it has a tab over there. It also has two turbos with a one logo over here. So two logos, one on the window and one on the base. You can also see the name over here. And also, I love his color so much. It really looks cool in my opinion. It also has a gray plastic base. Also some chrome wheels, and also has a nice back over here and a nice front. So anyways guys, that's all I have to say for this review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. So anyways guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.